Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. Today, I'd like to offer a practice to help you find focus. So sometimes when we're working or we're just navigating a hectic day, we can get a little bit scattered in our thinking, and sometimes we really need to come in and drop in for some focus time on a task or on something that's really important. So we're going to drop in as usual on the breath, allowing the eyes to close if that's comfortable. If not, just allowing the gaze to be soft. And we're going to bring our attention to the nostrils and notice the micro sensations of the breath as it enters the body. So with laser-like focus, bringing our awareness to those micro sensations of flowing air. Can you sense the velocity of the air moving through the nostrils? Can you attune yourself so clearly to feel the texture of the air? Can you feel the temperature of the air? Perhaps even noticing a difference in temperature from the inhale to the exhale. And as we follow the breath up and into the body, can we notice where the breath changes direction at the back of the nose? So the inhale breath moves in and up through the nose, and then at the back of the nose it starts to move down towards the lungs. So can you pinpoint, again with laser-like accuracy through felt sensations, where the breath changes direction? And you might sense this through temperature, through moisture, texture. And on the next breath, following the breath down through the airways towards the lungs, noticing which lung inflates first and most, or are they perfectly balanced? Riding the breath, noticing the expansion of the lungs, the release of the lungs. Noticing too how this sets the whole body in motion, the rise and fall of the chest. The rise and fall of the belly as the diaphragm moves up and down. The microwave of movement through the shoulders, down the arms, through the pelvis, into the legs. Noticing the weight of the hands pushing down into the lap or the legs. Feeling the physical sensations of clothing on skin. Can you remember the texture through felt sensations of the clothing that you're wearing? The mind dials these out of awareness because they're usually unchanging throughout the day. Can you bring it back in? Can you notice the sensation of fabric on your skin? And then following the next exhale, up and out. Perhaps just asking yourself, does my breath feel any different now than it did at the beginning of the practice? And do I feel any more clear and focused now than I did at the beginning of our practice? And in your own time, allowing the eyes to reopen.